speaker for the session. Harris Abubakar is a serial entrepreneur, orator, and a social media strategist who works with people and business to create content to drive differentiation, growth, sales, and loyalty. Being passionate about storytelling led him to be the co-founder of Stories Revolutionary, a storytelling community. Harris is an expert on leveraging Instagram platform and also founded IG Mastermind course, which has played 15 plus small businesses to grow their Instagram influence and build their personal brand. He is also a teacher for social media marketing at Vibe Technology. So I call upon Mr. Harris to give an amazing, energetic session to the participants. Yes, and I mean it. Welcome you, sir.
Thank you so much. Yeah. So, how many of you are interested to like skyrocket your Instagram? Let me see it in the comment box.
Hello, Mr. Harris. Your
Yeah.
voice is a little echoing and kind of
Is that happening now?
yeah. The complete room is echoing, I think.
One second, one second.
Or you can use your headset or your phone or your buds.
Is that happening now?
It's still there, but a little better.
Yeah.
Okay. I've just opened my door. I hope.
That's better. That's better. Okay.
Thank you so much. So yes, I'll be talking about Instagram. So I know a lot of people are there in Instagram, and a lot of people want to skyrocket their followers. A lot of people want to build their brand in Instagram. A lot of people want a lot of likes and comments and engagements in Instagram. So how many of you want that? If yes, just type in the comment box that I want. See, this session is all about energy. This session is not about me. This session is all about you people. The more energy you show, the more explosion you show in the comment box, the more things I'm going to share. Perfect. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. One second. Yeah. So I'll screen share.
Yes, it's on.
Yeah, perfect. I know you have had a lot of amazing sessions. You had a session from Saurabh Jain, who is my mentor, and you had a session from Powerpuff Girls talking about food blogging and stuff. And now it's time for you to explore your Instagram. So we will be talking about Instagram and how you can skyrocket your followers, how you can make Instagram like see, today I get clients coming to me from around the world for building their brand. I don't have to go to them. Today, I have around 40 to 50 students learning from me. Last 2 months, I made around 70 to 80,000 just from the Instagram. Okay, just from the Instagram. And today, I'm going to share all of my secret. I really don't want to hide any of that thing with you guys. I really don't want to hide. So I'm going to share every secret. I want you to be ready with your pen and paper, write down everything, and boom. So that's what. So let's go directly. We won't waste much time. So yeah. So a lot of people, I know you have a lot of you have an Instagram account. You share a lot of pictures of your profile. You share a lot of pictures from yours, like selfie, putting a like keeping a phone with a selfie, and like a lot of your pictures. And you need to understand that the Instagram is okay. It's okay. You sharing your pictures is totally fine. But there is something more you can do it in Instagram. Like Instagram is there for networking. It's there for connecting with the people who we don't know. It's there for taking a shake hand with the strangers. So how you can take a shake hand with the strangers, how you can as Saurabh Jain said in the other session, I hope I was there, okay, as he said in the other session, when you build your personal brand, when you try to build your personal brand in Instagram, it's not necessary that you need a resume. You only have to share your professional or social media page to the companies, and they are like, wow, yes, done, this guy is meant for our company. So the thing which you want to understand is that See, if you're sharing your personal photos, if you're sharing your personal photos, then your family might come and follow you, then your cousins might come and follow you, then your cousins, I mean, friends might come and follow you. But what about strangers? Why should they follow you? Why should they follow you? So you need to understand what is that one thing I need to build my Instagram. For example, we had a lot of pop-up girls from like food bloggers there. They wanted to build their brand through food blogging. So they choose that niche. So you need to have an understanding about it. The second thing, you can write this point. The only thing that an influencer wants is clarity in my mind. Until they're not clear, they will confuse their followers. If you are focusing on everything, if you are putting out content on everything, today you're putting out content on marketing, tomorrow you're putting out content on Instagram, day after tomorrow you're putting on content on food blogging, day after tomorrow, I mean, after that you're putting on content on happiness and motivation. You are giving your Instagram is becoming a sambar, I would say. Your Instagram is becoming everything. So that point, what happens is your customers or your audience is confused. Why should I come to this person and ask a doubt? Why should I follow this guy? So there's a lot of doubts happening in their mind. Now our duty is not to confuse our followers. They should be very clear. 8 months back, I was putting out content in happiness. I was putting out content in motivation. I was putting out my personal profile. I was putting out a lot of content in traveling. But now I was getting likes, I was getting followers, but I was not getting the questions. I was not getting the DMs. I was not getting the clients. That's the point. I understood that now my like the whole aim, I shouldn't confuse my followers. So I told that I'm going to put out a lot of content in Instagram regarding Instagram. I'm going to teach my people how to boost their profile through Instagram, and that was the point. That was the point. I've started getting a lot of DMs. I've started getting a lot of messages and clients and everything. So we will be talking about, so how many of you know about Ikigai? Very famous concept, Ikigai. Perfect. A lot of people know about Ikigai, right? So yeah, I'm talking about the smaller version of Ikigai. 1 second. Yeah. Yes, so I'll be talking about a smaller version of Ikigai. So whenever you do something in social media, you need to understand that you need to have a niche. You need to have a specialization, because gone are the days you cannot build your brand as a motivational speaker, because social media is very crowded. There are n number of motivational speakers out there. So it's very difficult for you to compete with them. So you need to understand your niche. So how will I understand my niche? That's the question coming to your mind, right? So I'll tell you, don't worry. It's always understanding your skill. The first thing which you need to do is understanding your skill. What is that one skill I have? For example, I'm good at communication. I'm not that good at English, but yeah, perfect. I can manage. I'm good at I'm good at Instagram. I'm good at digital marketing. I'm good at offline marketing, advertisement. These are my skills. But the second thing which you need to understand is, when you find out your skill, you should understand whether there is a demand in the market. Okay, for example, I'm also good at meme making. Okay, I'm also good at meme making. I make memes with my friend's face, and I love that. Okay, but just because I'm good at meme making, I don't take that as my career, because the place I am in, meme making doesn't give you a regular income. So I need to choose a career, a skill from all of my skill where there is maximum demand. I thought that, okay, I am good at Instagram, I'm good at communication, so I can teach people Instagram, and there is a demand, because there's a lot of people who want to build their brand in Instagram. Perfect. Are you able to understand? So your skill, your niche is something, your skill plus which of that skill got demand in the market, plus you need to understand which industry that skill is catering to. For example, I'm good at communication. I can be a teacher. I can be a public speaker. These are the industries which I can cater. But for my niche, I'm an Instagram strategist, so I can the industries which coming in my mind is, I can be an Instagram strategist for these instapreneurs, small instapreneurs, the companies, the brands, personal brands. So these are the technique, these are the people, these are the area which I can cater my skill. So these are the three things which is very important. You need to understand your skill. Perfect. You need to understand whether there is a demand in the market. Third thing, you need to understand which area that skill is catering. I hope you have understood. If yes, just type in the chat box yes. Oh my God, I can see a lot of energy in you. That's what giving me most energy in this time. And I can make sure that in the end, I'm going to give you a bonus secret strategy, which you cannot miss. So I request everyone to be here for the next 30 minutes. I'm not going to take a lot of time, just 30 minutes. You will be like, oh my God, I can do this many things in Instagram. This is crazy. So you're going to tell that. You're going to tell that. Perfect. We'll go to the next. Okay. So I want everyone to take the screenshot of this thing and you can fill it later. Okay. You have to answer this thing. People on social media should follow me because I share dash. Okay. If it is in my case, people on social media should follow me because I share contents related to Instagram. Next, and help them become a better. What are you helping? How are you helping people to become a better what? Okay, I help people to become a better personal brand, to help like become a better brand. So these are the things, and give them enough reason and evidence to connect with me for. I put out a lot of content in Instagram related to Instagram, so that one stranger, if a stranger comes to my profile, he'll be thinking, okay, this person is an expert in this field because this person is sharing a lot of information about this field. So that is going to give you audience that, okay, this person is good at something. Okay, so you want to fill this form. People on social media should follow me because I share dash and help them become a better dash and give them enough reason and evidence to connect with me for dash. Is that fine? Is that good? Are you all like, are you able to understand? Did you take the screenshot? If yes, let me go to the next section. Perfect, perfect, perfect. You all are so much energy, guys. I cannot imagine this. This is going to be great. I cannot. I'm going to nail this. Perfect. So yeah, next question which you want to answer is, what are you trying to share in Instagram? I'm not talking about your personal pictures. No, please. Okay. What are you trying to share in Instagram? How is it helping people to transform? The big thing, see, if you come to my Instagram account, you'll see a lot of content regarding to Instagram. I share a lot of Instagram tips every day. So if a stranger who know nothing about Instagram, that person comes to my profile, at the end of the day, he will be reached to a position that, okay, this person, like, he'll have some ideas about Instagram. So how are your content is helping people to transform? Second question. Third question, why would they come to you as a pay you? People should come to me as and pay me because for my consultation, for my teaching, for my everything, like building their brand, etc. So you need to also understand why would they come to you as a pay you. Perfect. So as an influencer, your job is to take your followers from current status to desired status. Your follower is uneducated about whatever you are trying to share. Your followers don't know about, if you are a food blogger, your followers don't know about food. If you are a public speaker, your followers don't know how to build their public speaking. So your job is to take from current status to desired status. Perfect. Yeah, so now I'm gonna share 3 ways to grow your Instagram account. I know everyone is waiting for this, right? So you want to skyrocket your Instagram account. You want to build a lot of followers. You want to be famous. You want to earn money, start earning money from Instagram. So we're going to talk about that right now. Perfect. So if you're interested, if you're excited for this, just type in the chat box, boom. Perfect, 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 perfect. You guys are amazing. Oh my God. Let's go to the topic. So there are 3 ways you can actually bring. Three ways you can actually you can actually promote your Instagram. Okay. First one is organic method. Second one is paid method, and the third one is jinxed method. We'll be talking about it later. So what is organic method? Organic method is something which you are not paying to Instagram. You're not paying anyone. Just by putting out contents, you're attracting people and making them follow your page, and that is the best method I can say, because all of the followers I've grabbed till now is through organic method. For example, now how can you do this? Okay, like, how many of you want to know the hashtag strategy, which kind of hashtag I need to use whenever I'm trying to do in Instagram? A lot of people want. Perfect. So I will be telling you 6 ways where you can actually grow followers, which it has helped me to grow my followers. Perfect. First thing is that about content. Okay, see, content is what drives everyone. If you're not posting content in Instagram, then there is no way that people could connect with you. In digital world, content is everything. Content is what drives people. Content is what create that magnet to the people to attract you. So you have to make sure that every day you post content in your niche. Every day you have post content in your niche, and whatever you're trying to sell, whatever you're trying to master that art, every day you have to make sure that you try to connect, you try to put out one or two content in that one topic. It can be IGTV video content, it can be reels. Oh my god, reels have a lot of organic reach. It can be photo, it can be carousel, it can be memes, entertainment. Everywhere you can put out content, but you need to start putting out content. So what type of content? You can put out a lot of type of content in your niche. For example, I'm into Instagram, so I'll be putting out content related to Instagram. So if you're into public speaking, you have to start putting out content related to public speaking. You have to start teaching people how to do public speaking. In the meanwhile, you will also be learning. The second thing is, so when you start putting out content, then comes consistency to grow in any of the brand, okay, any of the social media. So if we teach everything free, how will we charge? I'll be talking about in the end Narang. It's a good question, but I'll be talking about it. Perfect. So yeah, so I'm talking about consistency. Consistency is everything. You need to be consistent in every social media. If you're using LinkedIn, if you're using Instagram, if you're using Facebook organic, which is dead, so there is no point you being consistent. But yeah, so you need to be very consistent. If you're using YouTube, also very consistent in putting out content. That is going to bring a lot of engagement. The third thing is hashtag. Now a lot of people make mistakes when they use hashtag. So there are two types of hashtags, if I can say. There are hashtag called king hashtag. There is something called soldier hashtag. Now you'll be wondering what this person is talking about, like king hashtag and soldier hashtag. Oh my god, what is this? Okay, so yeah, I'll be talking about king hashtag and soldier hashtag. King hashtag is hashtag. For example, I'm into digital marketing. Now digital marketing is a king hashtag. There'll be a lot of people competing with that hashtag. There'll be a lot of people updating pictures in that hashtag. So you cannot, if you have an account which is less than 20,000 followers or 10,000 followers, you cannot compete with them. It's very difficult. Your photos will not be seen anywhere. So what you can do, you have to start putting out soldier hashtag. Now what is soldier hashtag? For example, digital marketing is a king hashtag. If you want to convert that same thing into soldier hashtag, it's called digital marketing Kerala. So that, so in digital marketing Kerala, there will competition. So my like photos, my profiles, my contents will be standing in the top of that hashtag reason, and the top hashtag. So likewise, you can stand, your post will be standing on the top. So that's very important. So that's why you need to have more soldier hashtag and less king hashtag. The next way to grow is by commenting. And Gary Vee called this as a $1.80 strategy. $1.80 strategy. So now what is $1.80 strategy? What you have to do is you have to go to some profile. You have to go to some profile which is on your niche. For example, I'm into digital marketing. I'm into Instagram marketing. So what I'm going to do is I'll take my mobile and type Instagram marketing. I'll see a lot of posts in that hashtag. Now what I'm going to do is, for example, there's a guy from Trivandrum, there's a guy from Mumbai who is getting a lot of followers and whose top post is on top. Okay, so I'll go to his profile and give a good comment on this profile. So what happens is, crowd is where the crowd is. We call it crowd is where the crowd is. So when people start coming on his profile and start understanding about his like start commenting on his profile, his post, they will see your comment. Now this person will think, who is this guy? This guy shared a valuable comment in the post. Who is this guy? I have to check this guy. So when they check your profile, they will come to your profile and start following you if you have good content. So yeah, I'll give you one more example about crowd is where crowd is. Suppose you are traveling in a bus, you see an accident in the left. Okay, if there is a lot of crowd, you'll be like, oh my god, what happened? What happened? You'll be like this, right? But if there is no people surrounding to that accident, you might not see that. So that what is that shows? Crowd is where the crowd is. If you have a few crowd in the comment box, there'll be more crowd. Okay, people will be interested to put out comment. So you need to use that strategy. You need to go to the other people who are in your niche and start putting out comment, valuable comment. That's one way. Third thing, by influencer tagging. For example, we have a lot of influencers. So for example, you have learned something about food blogging from the other session. Now tomorrow, if you're updating something about food blogging, or if you're updating something about motivation and stuff, you can actually take a word from them and just tag them in the comment box. When you tag them in the comment box, what happens? They're going to reshare your comment or your post, and you are reaching to another set of people. Okay, I've actually done that. How? I have a set of like profile, I have a set of content called social media lessons. So what I do, social media lessons from bigger influencers, I put out such content. If you check my profile, you will see. So what happens is a month back, there is a girl called Nuzia Jamal who got an amazing followers, who has around 150k followers. So I have done a post by telling social media lessons from Nuziha, and that one post, she have shared it to her story, and I've grabbed around 300 to 400 followers in that one day with that one post. I got a client for my IG Mastermind course, and these are all happened. 15,000 I've earned in that one post. So if you know that strategy, if you know how to play with the things, it's easy for you to bring the money from Instagram. So that's what. So contest, you need to start tagging influencer whenever you share something related to them. Next, contest. Whenever you are in a promotion, whenever you are in a contest, whenever you are in an event, you can directly say, hey, you can actually start with this. Hi, I'm Haris Abubakar. My Instagram account is Haris_Abubakar. Do follow me because I share a lot of content related to marketing and strategy. So you can actually tell people, you can actually bring people to your profile. That's possible. Perfect. So next thing is shout outs. You can actually give shout outs for shout out. If there is some guy who is from Mumbai, who's into Instagram marketing, I can give a shout out to him and he can give me shout out. So I am visible to the people of Mumbai. He is visible to the people of Kerala because I'm from Kerala. So these are the 6 ways where you can actually grow your followers. The second method is paid method. Paid method, you have to actually pay Instagram or Facebook to promote your content. So like you actually do the paid method to Instagram. I'll just yeah, 1 second. Perfect. So you actually have to pay your Instagram or Facebook to actually promote your content. And yeah, so that is all about paid method. You can actually like do a shout out by like paying someone, paying a large group, okay, and make them share your content, all of this stuff. So whenever you have to make sure that, I know till now you've been for paid promoting from Instagram. So if you could paid promote from Facebook, you have a lot of option. You can directly paid promote to Instagram from Facebook. Perfect. The third method is Jinx method, which I totally what I don't want you to do. It's always like buying fake followers, buying an already popular page by using a bots and stuff, and you're promoting a product. So why you shouldn't do that? Because see, if you are here to make money, if you are here to monetize your brand, then you shouldn't do that. If you are here to grab a lot of followers, you can do. It's all up to you. But I only have 5,000 followers. I earn around 50 to 60,000 just monthly by just having this 5,000 followers. There is my student who has around 3,000 followers. One of my students, he's earning 15 to 16,000 every month from Instagram by their followers. So your aim is not to grab a lot of likes and followers. Your aim should be grabbing quality followers. Now, what is quality followers? I don't want people to follow me who is not interested in Instagram, because after a while they won't be converted to my sales. Okay, I want people who want to learn about Instagram. I want people who have a business, who want to build their brand in Instagram to follow me, and that they are my potential clients. So if you have such clients more in your profile, then you can easily monetize. But if you have a lot of clients who are not interested in Instagram following me, there is no use. So that's why you shouldn't do this jinx method. Now, journey of an influencer. Do you want to know how I was able to earn 40 to like 50,000 every month from Instagram? Do you want to know that? Oh my God. If you want to know that, just one more time, I want you to put out a bomb in chat box. Oh my God.
Harris, sorry to
Yeah.
interrupt. So
Yeah.
we are on time now. So the
Okay.
next speaker is waiting.
Yeah.
Quickly wrap
So
up.
I'll conclude in 10 minutes or 5 minutes. How much time?
We're already overshooting the time, but anyway, you can just take 2 to 3 minutes. Can you
I'll
do?
conclude in 5 minutes.
All right.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay, okay. So I'll just talk about this and we'll wind up as we have started this. So journey of an influencer, there are 3 stages which you need to focus if you want to build your brand in Instagram. First one is polishing your Instagram profile. You want to optimize your Instagram profile, the color combination, the bio, the profile picture, everything. Second thing is adding values. That is you putting out a lot of content for free and bringing people, attracting people towards your profile, then growing profile with the right kind of audience. As I told you, don't want a lot of followers, you want people who are right to you. The second stage is collaboration. Just like I'm doing the collaboration with 3G, you have to do a lot of collaboration, you have to do a lot of live sessions and all through Instagram. Second, then product affiliates. You can start your affiliate marketing. I earn some amount to affiliate marketing also. So you have to slowly start your affiliate marketing. Third is you need to be in YouTube. Start putting out videos in YouTube consistently. Take up a topic and start putting out videos in YouTube and understand how if Facebook works. See, Facebook is still the king. The stage 3, this is where the actual money comes. So when you put out a lot of content, when you grab a lot of information in that one particular topic, what happens is people will start coming to you in your DMs asking doubts, and that's where the moment you can actually convert your profile into consulting model and launching, coaching model. I have a course and you can actually build your course and start building your profile. And these are the 3 things which you need to do if you want to build your brand. So these are the things which I really want to share. I hope this session was insightful. If you love the session, if you have loved the session, then do give me a shout out. This is my profile in Instagram, Haris_Abubakar. You can give me a shout out by tagging me. You can give the feedback, how good was the session. And thank you so much for connecting. Thank you so much for 3G for inviting me to the session. You people are doing an amazing. Like the times we are going in a very toughest times, and the initiative the 3G has taken, the initiative my friend Irfana has taken is huge, and they are trying to help a lot of people. They are trying to build a lot of people, and like I cannot thank enough for all the people who are running behind for this for the last 1 or 2 months to make it successful. This is going to be a great help. I wish you achieve what you have planned and you become very level, we say in Malayalam. So thank you so much for inviting me. Thank you so much for connecting me. This was my pleasure to come and speak about Instagram. And yep, thank you so much.
Thank you, Harris, for giving us a lot of tips to improve and brand our Instagram account. I was able to see a lot of energy and excitement among the participants in the chat box. And I will make sure to follow these tips to provide a quality content in my account also. So thank you once again. Mr. Harris, we will be an e-certificate. Do accept it.
Okay.
MC Tamil sir, please do present the e-certificate for Harris. Thank you, sir. Good to have you in this session.
Sure. Thank you so much. Can I do a story with everyone? I'll be very happy if most of the people open your camera and just show your face. So we're going live stories right now.
Mr. Harris, video is not allowed to the participants. Like it has been.
Okay. I'll just put out story like this only. Yeah.
Yes, Harris, this is a webinar format, and we are like the panelists are only allowed to have the video.
Okay. No problem.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay. Hello everyone, I'm in the 3G IRPS session and I can see 500 plus people listening for the last 3 days with whatever they're doing, amazing things they're doing. And I thank them for inviting me. This is going to be amazing. I mean, kudos to everyone who have joined us, kudos to everyone who are doing things for the last 2 days. And thank you so much. Yes, thank you so much.
Thank you, Mr. Harris. So, and guys, I have a surprise for you here. So please tag the leaders that you currently see on the screen in your Instagram and LinkedIn handle with a screenshot of this, and we are having an amazing surprise waiting for you if you do so. Thank you. Thank you to all the attendees and participants, and thank you, Mr. Harris, for your time.
Thank you. Bye.
So please do tag the leaders that you currently see on the screen and put it on your Instagram and LinkedIn handle. Thank you to all the participants, and I'll hand over to MC Nandini.
Join the mission, build India to serve. Join the mission, build India to serve the world.
Join the mission and build India to serve the world.
Join the mission, build India to serve the world.
Join the mission, build India to serve the world.